Hello everyone, my name is Adi Dasana Gorinta from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Sleepy Branch. And today I will discuss two topics I have chosen, software and operating systems and hardware. These two elements work together to ensure the functionality of every digital device we use from our laptops to our smartphones. Okay, let's start with software. What is software? Software is basically a set of programs or instructions that tell a computer what to do. Without software, even the most advanced hardware is useless. There are two main types of software: system software and application software. Next, the first, system software. It helps the computer's hardware and other software communicate with each other. The best example of this, the operating system or OS. The OS manages computer resources and provides a platform for applications to run. Examples include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Next, the second type is application software. This software helps us perform specific tasks. For example, we use Microsoft Word to type, Photoshop to edit photos, and Google Chrome to browse the internet. In short, application software makes computers truly useful for people. So now that we understand software, let's talk about the other half of a computer system, the hardware, which is just as important. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer, everything you can actually touch and see, like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. Hardware, hardware is what makes a computer real and tangible. But remember, without software, all these parts are just pieces of metal and plastic. Hardware and software always work together. The hardware provides the body, while the software gives it life. They are both essential to make a computer perform any task. Let's take a closer look at the different types of hardware and what each one does. There are four main types of hardware components that work together inside every computer. First, input device, such as keyboards and mouse, are used to enter data into the computer. Second, output device like monitor and printers show the results of what the computer processes. Third, we have storage device such as hard drives and flash drives, which store information and files. And finally, processing device, especially the CPU, handle the instructions and make sure everything runs properly. Each part has a unique role, and together they form a complete system that allows us to work, play, and create with technology. Speaking of processing device, let's focus on the most important one, the CPU, also known as the brain of the computer. CPU. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is often called the brain of the computer. It executes all the instructions and controls every operation. The speed and performance of your computer depend a lot on the CPU and the amount of RAM you have. The faster they are, the smoother your computers run. Now that we talk about the CPU, the brain of the computer, let's see how it actually works together with software to make everything function. Hardware and software are deeply connected, they depend on each other completely. You can think of it like this: hardware is the body and software is the soul. Without one, the other simply cannot function. For example, your monitor and keyboard are pieces of hardware, but they can't do anything unless the software tells them what to display or how to respond. The operating system acts as the bridge between them. It allows the software to send commands to the hardware and helps hardware send feedback to the software. Imagine you click a song on your music app. The software sends instructions to hardware speakers, and you hear the sound. That's how perfectly they work together in every action we take. Next, conclusion. Hardware and software are two sides of the same coin. Hardware provides the structure and software provides the function. The operating systems connects them both, allowing everything to run smoothly. Without these key components, technology simply wouldn't work. Thank you for listening my presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.